Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's been a hot minute. I'm looking around me being vigilant. I haven't spoken to you guys. I haven't spoken to you guys in a while. I just looked up and realized that I have 2 minutes before the tram comes. So I'm talking to you guys at 6 o'clock in the morning. I am at the tram stop heading to work on the morning shift. So much has been happening. I even took my hair out. You guys haven't seen me in a while, and I did that for about almost a week. I decided that I'm gonna bring you guys with me this morning. Hopefully I'll remember to vlog and to show you guys what going to work with me and an early shift looks like. So I'm at the tram stop at 6 o'clock and going to head to town. My shifts finish at 3 today, and then after my shift today I'm heading to the supermarket. It is Saturday actually, so the babies are home, Papa is home, and yeah, so hopefully you guys are having a good day. Follow me as we go to work and go do a little shopping later. It's kind of dark out. If you guys can see, it might not look so show the darkness for you guys, but as you guys can see, there's not much sun out, and I hear my tram coming right now, so I'm gonna leave you guys and head on the tram.
Ligne 2, direction Port-Lancia. Votre attention s'il vous plaît, aucun bus et tramway ne circulent le lundi 1er mai jour férié. Merci pour votre compréhension.
I caught the tram and I'm on my way to work. So there's not much people out at this time of the morning. I realize that it's like 80% men that work on construction based off their attire that you see on the tram at this time of the morning. But anyway, I'm out and I'm heading to work. I'm not feeling so tired today, but tomorrow is my day off, so I should have a nice little rest day tomorrow. So enjoy today's vlog, and you guys will see the rest of the family later when I get back home. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, you guys, so tram stop done, and I'm in town right now. I'm in center town at about 6:20. This is what center town is looking like. Peace and quiet and nobody. Like I told you guys, you see mostly men and people running to catching the tram that I should be running to catching, but I ain't running, shorty. Or should I? I'm not running, so I'm going to walk, because normally if I catch this tram I would take it to one stop, but since I'm not running, it shall leave me, and the other one won't come until in 5 minutes. So I'm gonna walk, and that's okay. Exercise tomorrow morning. It's right within my reach. Should I run or should I not? No, it's too far. I'm not running, so it's gonna have to go. That's fine. See, it's right there. That's okay. It says the other one is in 9 minutes and I have to walk for 7 minutes, so I'm gonna walk. I shall walk it out. So you guys see, there's people in town, but not much, just a few. Boulangeries are about to be open, so you see lights in some building, and you can see the boutiques, they're closed. So giving you guys a rare look into town early in the morning. So this is me walking down the streets in town with my shoes making lots of noise. Why is the camera blurry? Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna put you guys up right now, and I'll talk to you guys later and focus on my surrounding while I'm in these streets, meeting on a few drunk people here and there. But anyway, see you guys later. And this is me afternoon going home while the city comes alive. What a difference between this morning and now. Can you see the difference? I walked past this exact place this morning, showing you guys a few minutes earlier in this clip. If you watch all of this vlog, then you would have seen this exact place. Now it's after 3 p.m. and I'm heading home. Work is done. Heading home. Lie, I'm not going directly home. I'm actually going to the supermarket to do our weekly shopping, and then the fam bam will come and pick me up. So you guys will definitely see the fam bam in a bit. I wish I could just stop at one of these bars right now and have a nice cold sweet beer that I always have, but I can't because I gotta go shopping. Gotta go to the supermarket, girl. So here we go.
Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, 'cause anything worth doing is a
Welcome back to our channel. This is a full day. This is a energetic day. It's almost raining outside and the family is here. Everybody is here. Sarah, say hi. Hi. Yes. I understand everything you say. Yes. Yes, man. I understand almost everything you say.
Don't repeat what she said. Do it properly so she can say it properly.
Okay.
My wife.
You guys, I'm tired. I have no strength to talk to you guys enough from this morning. They've been seeing me from morning because I've been vlogging. I'm tired right now.
It's time for
the
supermarket haul.
Hey, I don't hear everybody here. I don't hear everybody here. There's somebody that I don't hear. It's time for
everybody.
supermarket haul.
It's time for people with energy. I'll let them.
Supermarket haul without you.
Sarah?
Supermarket haul without me is nothing.
He's right. She's just escaping.
Yes, Sarah.
Alright, Sarah, what we have here? Wow, what is that?
I soon come. Just let me.
Mama.
No, what is that? Yes, it looks like Mama.
Donuts.
It looks a little bit like Mama, but this is not Mama. Yes, chicken look like you.
I was expecting to see the broccoli when I turn around.
No, the chicken.
So it was the last $3 of chicken in the.
And if it was 5
I mean, wait, let me clarify. Of this part, everything else is breast, straight breast.
Breast is good.
It's a crab.
What is
Breast
that?
is best.
It's a crab.
Well, we have 4.
It's a crab.
Here's the energy.
It's a crab.
Yes,
It's
sir.
a crab. It's a pineapple. It's a pineapple. It's a pineapple.
We are
Can you
some.
say who have the energy and who doesn't?
No, it's my pineapple.
No, it's yours. Both of you.
Sarah, what is that?
Here.
Look at me.
It's a broccoli.
Broccoli is good for the health, family.
No, Sarah. Pineapple for Sarah. Strawberry
You're
for
late to the
pineapple
club.
for Tata.
You're just
Strawberry for
finding that
Sarah.
out.
No, it's not mine.
What is that?
Apple.
You guys see
Strawberry
what's
apple.
going on here?
Pineapple. Okay, it's
A
my
lot of
strawberry.
foods. We have a lot of food.
Sarah. Sarah.
Sarah, don't.
We have apple juice here.
Yes.
Sarah.
Not, no, wait. Do the supermarket haul first.
But the pen that was in here.
My strawberry.
Put the pen
My
for some eyebrows.
Yeah, I mean.
Yes, I'm thinking
My
of
strawberry and it's my pineapple. My pineapple.
What is that, Sarah?
Y'all hear them?
Hey, warrior number 1 against warrior
Let's
number 2.
go, let's go.
Sarah, what is that?
Mine.
Lots of people love a good. Hey, give it to me. Give it to me. None of you not gonna get it. Hey, stay right there. Why both of you fighting over the pineapple?
Alright, this
Why
is
both of you
yours.
fighting over the pineapple?
This is yours.
No, I don't like. I don't like.
Love a good pink tissue. Can you tell?
This is yours. This is Tyler 1. He wants
No, I
something.
don't
He
like.
gets all of
I
the
don't
children.
like.
The
I don't like that.
Okay, finish.
What is that?
Lettuce.
No. What is that?
It's Brussels sprout.
Lettuce.
Brussels fruit.
We bought some picture frame to finally put up the kids this year school photo.
And what is that?
I got me a small branch of celery. And babe highly requested this last night because I've been anticipating buying it since forever. And last night she's like, honey, please to add Bailey's to the supermarket haul list. So, you know, it's going down tonight, don't ya?
We have corn and we have tomato sauce. You know,
Tomato sauce. We have cucumber.
I need to put that away from Sarah.
We have a pen.
What is that, Sarah?
This is what I've been looking for.
Okay.
That's what I
Ginger.
asked you to look for last.
Well, I didn't find it.
Chocolate.
Here it was never.
Can you have
It was beside the map. That's why I
You
found it
have
because I accidentally bounced something to it.
Can I have chocolate?
After lint roller for the clothes.
Sarah?
No house is a house without lint.
Donut. Chocolate.
Where is chocolate? That's not chocolate.
she belly rubbing, belly
She love a chocolate like her father.
We have a comfort for the
Maybe I
kids.
saw these and they just look juicy, so I picked them up. It's the bigger version
Okay.
of what we used to get.
Whatever
Hey.
you feel for, I mean, it's good to get.
Hey, Tyler, stop. One time is enough.
We have 2 packs of juice.
Mama,
Back
can
to
I
school.
eat?
I got sausages.
Can I eat?
No, you're not gonna eat nothing
We're about
until we
to
finish the
dinner.
supermarket haul and have dinner. And tonight is movie night, make it worse. You're gonna have popcorn and all these fandangles that's
I
about
want
you.
popcorn in the movie night.
Come on, you're not at the movie night.
Mama, is this
Movie
one?
night.
Softener for
Popcorn
the
for movie night.
clothes. That's something new that I want for you to try.
Brownie.
Oh, that's what Tyler, that's what Tyler and Mama is talking about.
I want.
Orange juice.
Mama, I want.
You will share, not now, later.
When we have 2 cheesecake. 2
Cheesecake and Baileys.
cheesecake.
I want.
So what we doing?
I said after.
We're doing movie early so then we can share, Mama.
We're doing movie
At
while
7
we're
p.m.
having dinner. I'm not gonna have dinner and then wait and movie not gonna start until 10 o'clock.
We have
So we're all gonna eat in the couch tonight.
cookies,
Yes.
cookies,
Sarah, where you gone?
and cereal.
Where you gone? Everybody abandoned in the supermarket house.
What we have here? We have
Rice cake.
rice cake. Why you don't
Mama.
cook that with the
Can I
rice?
have pineapple?
Not now, I said. Later.
Ooh, that's for Mama, Tyler. Oh, that. What is that, Sarah?
What is that?
What is that?
Yogurt.
Yup, yogurt.
The kids been having this
It's the drink yogurt, the liquid
for the last week, so no yogurt for the kids.
My
I mean,
mother-in-law came with it and they re-love it because they used to have it in the past. But not Sarah, Tyler used to have it in the past. But Sarah is now in love with it.
so only yogurt for me, coconut yogurt and apple yogurt.
No, it's not apple, it's
Apple is
pear.
pear. Pear better than apple. Pear fresh and good. We have
Don't do
some,
that.
oh, little pack of
Yeah,
fries.
because I wasn't sure if yours fried here, so that's why I wanted to smell. Don't do that, I said.
And we have
child.
something to slap you.
Mama.
We have a sausage.
Pizza.
And this is done.
Little girl.
What you looking at me like? You want something? You want me to kick your ass? You want me to kick your
Let's
ass?
go. Let's go.
You're looking at me
Let's go.
dangerously.
If I
I'm gonna
lose
kick
yours in
your ass.
puppets. And if I win also.
No. If you beat me, don't worry. I call my big sister. She's gonna kick your
After
ass.
the puppets. Allez.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler. Come on, Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Papa. Everybody win this week. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Let me call my big sister. She gonna defend myself.
Puppet.
He call me
They
puppet.
call you
All
puppet.
the time to get to call me puppet. And I accept it. Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-1. A puppet that kill you.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh no.
3, 2,
What have you done? You had the victory there and you let it go.
Ah!
Big sister because this is so fun.
Oh!
We Wait. We don't want to talk to you. Go in the bin.
No way.
Go in the bin.
You visit Papa.
No.
No, it's
I said. My daughter's wiping the floor with a new mop. Anyway, you guys, I am going to go pack out these things. We have movie night tonight with the kids. It's Saturday night, so I still continue this tradition. And I'm cooking dinner right away. You see, I have to come home, come cook dinner. Can you imagine? Anyway, I'm going to go do what I gotta do. And I don't know if I'll see you guys later, but if I do, then that would be nice. If I don't, then I'll see you guys later. You guys, quick fix. Hungry, but I'm showing you real quick. We're having corned beef and rice. Popcorn is ready and everybody is ready. We're doing multitask movie tonight. Dinner and popcorn in one. Ready, Sarah?
Yeah.
Ready, Tyler? See, boy love play. See, ready, babe?
Yes, I am.
And my tired face been ready. When I sit down in that couch, everything that I want, my husband will be getting up to give it to me because me now move. Anyway, you guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Come, baby, let's end it. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy the little bits and pieces that we had to show you today. It was a pleasure taking you guys along. I won't tell you what this man is doing, but anyway. Babe, end the vlog.
Try to end it like
anyway, you guys.
Mama.
Baby, I don't have to. You guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll leave you with this man because he's not behaving himself. Yes, sir. Papa not behaving.
time to eat. So well, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, to subscribe, to comment.
Yes.
And what else?
To like.
And to
And we'll see them next day. I don't know when, but
next day.
next day.
Next day.
Honey, where's my knife and fork? You didn't put any for me? How's yours?